Every day, our goal is to treat more animals, comfort more people, and advance veterinary medicine worldwide. For 45 years, DoveLewis has been a trusted place for emergency and specialty veterinary care for pet owners across Oregon and Southwest Washington. We are the only nonprofit ER animal hospital in the region, and we've made a promise to our community to care for more animals who have no one else, to value the wildlife around us, to provide an unparalleled level of medicine in our community, and to honor the bond between animals and people. We are more than a hospital. We are where animals and wildlife find exceptional care and people find support. This is made possible because of our generous community. Let's meet a few exceptional animals and their families that highlight just some of the work we do on a daily basis. Foley is a 6-year-old black lab. He is one of the superhero donors in our volunteer blood bank program, which is one of the largest in the country. Our superheroes are incredible. Because of their generosity, hundreds of cats and dogs receive life-saving blood transfusions every year. Oli's family drives all the way from the Olympic Peninsula to donate blood every 3 months. Their commitment, along with our 150-plus blood donors, is truly inspiring. Hannah is a beautiful golden retriever who lives in the Pearl District. The same day Hannah was adopted, she escaped from her leash in her new neighborhood. She ran for miles, crossing train tracks and wandering over the steel bridge to the east side until she was rescued by a Good Samaritan. When Hannah arrived at DoveLewis late in the evening, her paws were bleeding and there was no one to care for her but us. Hannah's owner spent all night passing out flyers and searching desperately for her. The next morning, she visited DoveLewis with one of her flyers, and a staff member instantly recognized Hannah, who was still at the hospital. The two were reunited and have been inseparable since. Freya, a 1-year-old cat, found herself at DoveLewis when she couldn't open her eye. Her worried owners knew it was more than just a little eye irritation and that Freya needed help. However, finances were tight for the family, and they were unsure how they were going to pay for Freya's treatment. But thanks to the generosity of our community, the Velvet Assistance Fund covered most of Freya's care. Getting the appropriate treatment meant Freya was no longer in pain and reduced the risk of serious eye damage. With a little medication and some time to recover, she's doing great and loves to walk on her leash. Kyla is one of our therapy dogs who brings joy to people all across Portland. She often volunteers at OHSU to visit with nursing staff and critically ill patients and their families. One of her distinctive features is that she loves wearing sunglasses on her outings. The Portland area canine therapy teams consist of over 60 talented, well-trained, loving animals that, along with their handler, are eager to make a difference. With a wagging tail and wet nose, these special dogs are bringing comfort and joy to thousands of people every year at hospitals, courtrooms, and libraries across Portland and Southwest Washington. We are so thankful to everyone who supports DoveLewis. Because of your commitment, DoveLewis is always here and always open.